Here are the tests that you guys requested for my 2025 Kohler Highline Pressure Lite. It is using a 503 flush mate, which uses 1.6 gallons. Let's see how it flushes and see how it does on requested tests. I like how powerful and strong the flush is. Now to some requested tests. For the first test, let's see how it flushes with clogged pipes. This test was requested by VFT Miniatures. Well, pretty cool how it flushes with clogged pipes. And it's like what happens if your sewer is plugged up or the septic tank is full. Pretty cool. Now to the next test. For the next test, let's see how it flushes with a blocked siphon jet. This test was requested by Chicago Land Drains Toilets. I'm going to put my finger in the siphon jet and see how it flushes. I like how swirly that is, but it didn't do too much. But it's a pressure assist toilet, and I don't think I've seen a pressure assist toilet siphon with the siphon jet blocked. Pretty cool, but it didn't siphon. For the next test, let's see if it can take 3 grocery bags laid flat. See how it does. Looks like it took it. For the next test, let's see if it can take dye. This test was requested by the can. This is 5 drops. Let's stir it around. Well, let's add more. That's 20 drops. Let's stir it. All right, let's see how it does. And it did really good. For the next test, let's see if it can take ketchup. This test was requested by OCC Plumbing and Restorations. So here's the ketchup. I got 2 packets of it. Keep in mind, this is not blood. It's just ketchup. Make sure it goes all over the sides. I remember he done this to a 1-gallon toilet and it did not do so great. But on 1.6 gallons, let's see how it does. It left a little bit of spots on the sides, but otherwise, it did take some from the bowl. So it did alright. Not great, but not terrible. I've definitely seen worse. I'm going to give it a second flush after the tank is full to see if it takes the rest of it. Flush 2. Let's see if it can take the rest of it. Plus, just for fun, let's see if it can take these. It still left a tiny bit left, but otherwise, it cleared the rest of it out pretty good. So, I'll be back for the next test and after I clean this toilet up. For the next test, let's see if it can take 4 bottles. Let's see how it does. And it took it all. Now to the next test. For the next test, let's see if it can take 3 grocery bags, 2 microfiber rags, and 2 gloves. It might take 2 flushes, but let's see how it does. Whoa! That took it all in 1 flush. Which is why I like these toilets in terms of very great bulk performance. Now to the last test of the video. For the last test, let's see if I can overflow it. This test was requested by Master Flush. I got this microfiber towel and a rag balled up together. Let's clog it. That's flush 1. Let's see how many flushes it takes to overflow. Flush 2. Flush 3. Well, one good thing about 1.6 gallons or less toilets is when it gets clogged like that, it doesn't take 2 flushes to overflow unless if it's like more water. But if it's 1.6 gallons or less, then it might take more than 3 flushes to overflow it while it's clogged, which is pretty good. For the moment you all have been waiting for, flush number 4. It just unclogged itself. I'm gonna try that again. But since it unclogged itself, that's pretty impressive how I shoved something in there. Let's try that again and see if it overflows. Well, there you have it. Well, thank you guys for the requested tests. Well, if you want to see more test videos of performance requested tests, please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.